Welcome, you all, welcome. I'm here prepping my client to get a 1-layer braided cornrow hair, and I'm sectioning out her hair to blow dry it. As you can see, you don't want to blow dry it in one section only, you have to just part it out in 4 section or 3 section, depends on the density of the client hair and how tangled the client hair is. After you see me section the hair, I actually reach the last section where I am running through the whole hair with the dryer to get it straightened. This part is very necessary, or very important rather, because we need the hair to be straightened. Look how nice that is. Now you see me here sectioning the hair to ready to put in my cornrows, braided cornrows. This will be a feeding cornrow on natural hair using the color 27 braid. As you see, I already prepped my client. I'm braiding her hair in 2 sections, which will be a 1 layer going straight around. She have no edges, so I prefer this style for her because her edges will be protected under the braid. So now you see me here cornrowing the hair, where at times you might see me putting her hair under the braid. So remember, her hair is natural and her hair is black and this hair is 27 color. So I want to make sure to get her hair tucked in as possible underneath. I don't want to see her hair too much on top of the hair. And remember, if you want to see me do this in a slow motion so you could get the whole tutorial on how to do feeding, please let me know in the comment down below. So while you see me braiding down, you see that I actually tuck in her hair. You're not seeing her hair on top of the braid. And I also will have a tutorial on that braid as well, on how to tuck in your hair. So here we go again. I'm sectioning out the hair to give it an next corner. So you could watch how I use the less jam to get a clean part in, and I braid her hair like 2 times before I start to add in the actual braid. For me, the reason why I start her hair before is because it don't have no much tension on her scalp. And as I said before, you see me while I braiding, you see me combing and tucking under her hair. Now I'm actually at the end of the back, well, actually at the back of the hair, where that is the last one for that side. and my son come and interrupt in my video, so I had to send him back around. So as you see right there, as I plait down, you see I am putting her hair underneath the hair, and you can always slow down this also and see the whole process of how I do it. But actually I will have a video on how to tuck in your hair, so look out for that video. Here we are again on the next side. We are going to actually do the same thing on the side. So actually it is really a one layer braid. If it was much small, if it was much bigger, then we will have a pop smoke, but this is just a one layer, just to protect our ear side or ear edge and the back also. I actually speeding up this video because of time consuming. I don't want to bore you all, but I will actually have tutorials and details on how to do a feeding, or how I do a feeding braid. And here we are almost finished. Actually, you see me doing a little trimming. I'm taking off the extra hair or the hair that's sticking out. I like to see my braid clean. I don't like to dip them as soon as I finish, and then I know tomorrow or a couple days after it will look frizzy or fuzzy. So I actually do a little trimming to take away the excessive hair. So I'm going through single by single, plait by plait, and try to get all them fly hair off before I hot water my client's hair. Now I'm actually gonna hot water here. See me pouring out the water. I try to go up close as possible where I know what I'm doing, so I am not going to burn my client. I want to know by the end of the cornrow to smooth. I don't like to see it rise up at the ear section, like, so I try to bring the water up to it so I could get it laid down properly. So I like to make sure my end stem are really straightened before, so I will dip it like 2 times. Now here you see me using an hot towel to put on her hair to kind of loosen it up a little. And I am actually using the mousse now to give it that finish amazing look. After I use the mousse, I will add a do-rag over it, pull it a little, right, and then blow dry it. What she's liking it because she actually finishing now. So she thought she finished, so she want to get up out the chair. Yes, it took me about 3 hours to do it, and it gave me a little challenge because of her hair 4C texture. It kind of not easy to braid, but yeah, tell me what you think. Are you loving these? And actually I use a little spritz on it too, and then I'm going to add back the do-rag, so and spray it again, and yeah, to get that nice finishing neat look. Right, yeah guys, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and remember to watch until the end. And there you go, we actually finish here. You will see what she didn't really want to use the 27, but I know this 27 would have fit her because her complexion looking lovely, and she does enjoy, she's enjoying her one layer. Remember to subscribe guys.